Oh, hi guys, I didn't see you there. Well, today we're going to be doing a slightly different video to normal. We're going to be reviewing, because my Dribble Up Smart Ball one blew up with 1,600 views, so if I do another review I'll get more subs as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so today will be slightly different, as I said in the intro. We're going to be reviewing some fidget toys. Done. Yeah, that is I've got too many now. So we'll just sweep the ones that I'm not going to talk about yet to the side. I think that's all of them. Alright, so we're going to be reviewing fidget toys. Personally, I have anxiety myself, and because I have anxiety, we went on and bought those fidget toys. My favourites are especially Popits, so this is what Popits do. Yeah, so they're pretty relaxing. Popits can pop differently to others. So for example, this little dino here, which will be into a dino nugget later, it pops way differently to the one I just popped. So yeah, they come in different shapes as well, depends. My biggest Poppit that I've got is probably my avocado one, and I really like it. It comes from both sides, and this one pops good. And then got the brown side. I'm just going to point out my favourite fidgets, and make sure to comment down below what your favourite fidgets are. So my favourite fidgets are this little fiddle controller, of course the Popits themselves. I like these peas things. I like this simple dimple. This square is alright, but I don't like it. I don't know, I picked it up. I like these moochies, whatever they are. I like to squish them. They're really dirty as well. The amount of times I squished them, I'm going to have to clean them a bit later. So, yeah, it's really hard to cope with anxiety, so I always stay up, especially on a Monday before school. I always stay up late until 1 o'clock, just worrying full stop. But these fidgets have really helped me through everything. So I'm gonna rate every fidget now. If you want to go buy some yourself, there's some on Amazon, and they're quite cheap. Each Poppit around this size is probably £2. That's cheap to me, but yeah, I'll stop waffling on about nothing now. Yeah, so first we've got the Popits. I'll rate them a solid 9 out of 10. What could be a bit better about them is maybe a bit more detail to them. Anyway, on to the next one. The controller thing, it's nothing too big, but I do play with it sometimes. So I've rated this a 7 out of 10. These moochies, I love them, 10 out of 10, mate. It's just, they're so, I like them so much. And we got this confusing thingy, triangle, rectangle, well, not triangle, square thing, cube. I'd rate it 5. It does distract me for at least 10 minutes. Sorry if that was a bit loud. Peas, yeah, I like this 7 out of 10 as well. I do play with it. Simple Dimple, I'll go for 8 out of 10. But I know there is other Simple Dimples, or dimples that are out there, that are like much bigger than these ones, but I'll rate this an 8 out of 10. And this ball, when I got it, it's broken, so I don't really play with it, so I'll rate it a 2. So we got the monkey noodles. I sometimes use them as whips to whip my dad when he's annoying me. Yeah, I just tie these together around my knuckles, and I do that all the time with them. Yeah, I'll rate them a solid 6. We got these magnet things, these confusing physics, whatever. These are just truly rubbish. I don't know what the point of these are, so I'll rate them a 3 to me. These little spring boy, I don't know what they're called, but really, it's pleasant. So, oh, sorry. These things, I like the sound of them. I'll be quiet for like 10 seconds just so you can hear it. For me, it sounds like a crackling fire. I think they use this in ASMR videos as well. Yeah, so I'll rate this a 8 out of 10 because I really like the sound of it. And it's amazing. I don't know what the point of these are, but these, yeah, they're like this. They're very similar, but they don't make any noise. They just play with your brain, so I'll give them a 4. And that's all of them reviewed. Oh no, I've got one more, but I don't talk about these. The rest of the box is filled with these. These are rubbish. I'll advise you not to buy these because these are a complete waste of money. Because look what happens when I try to stretch. Exactly, it bursts. And these are meant to be stretched. Yes, you can clip them back on, but it is really hard. So if you wanted to buy your kids some fidgets, I advise you don't do this one because it's a pain in the backside trying to put this back on. But because I've had loads of experience with these, I know how to clip them back on. So now I'm going to go on and show you all my Popits. I won't spend too long popping them. I won't pop every single one just for your guys' entertainment because you guys will probably get bored. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing, hitting that subscribe button right there, and if it turns grey, perfect. And yeah, if you don't subscribe, you eat poo. So yeah. Yeah, like the video as well, and comment down below what videos you want me to do. So first I've got this jigsaw one. It's very simple, and yeah, it's very small. So I'm just gonna rate the poppet shapes and how they pop out of 10. I'll rate this poppet overall as 6 out of 10. Next one, the avocado. Now I have fallen in love with this one since this arrived this morning. I haven't stopped popping it. They just pop really nicely and I really like it. So I'm rating this a 10. Among Us one. Yes, it could be bigger, but it's still a poppet in it. I haven't popped this one yet. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this a 6 out of 10 as well. Now these are one of my older ones that I got some time ago. It's a 6x6. Overall, I've had this fidget for ages, or this poppet for ages, and I used it every day, so I'll rate this a 9. Now, particularly, I like these shaped poppets. Yeah, I think they're really cool. I just love the shape of them. Yep, so I'll rate this one an 8. Same with this one, it's the same. And this one is a funny one. I got like McDonald's fries ones. Comment down below what your favourite McDonald's meal is. Yeah, I'll rate this one a 7. Because this one, it pops well, but there could be more detail to it. Like, it could be bigger, and there could be like a logo around here, guys. Like what brand it is. Like I pointed out earlier in this video, we got this dino, which I'm gonna eat tonight because I like dino nuggies. This one's more like the puzzle one, so I'm gonna rate this a 6 as well. Now the ice cream one was good, and I've got a trick that I can show you with this one. I can pop them really fast, but and I don't know how you guys can see that. Second to last, yes, I've got. It's not technically a poppet, but I count it as this. A poppet, I mean. It's the PS5 controller thing. I don't know what it's meant to be, but as I've got my PS5 myself, I should know what it is. Give me a sec, guys. I'll be one sec. Now, this is my PlayStation 5 controller compared to this one. So this one is bigger than the PS5, but the PS5 controller is bigger than any console controller. So it must be a console controller. No, not console, PS5. It won't be Xbox because Xbox don't have these pads there. But to make it look a bit more accurate, what I would have done is I would have done this design all the way down there. So if you see there, you know that, because that's where the actual pad is. But it's very similar compared to my PS5 controller, because it's really good. I'll put this to the side. But the thing is, it don't really have the designs on my controller, on that controller to mine. Don't have the puppy pad thing, don't have the grip things, camo. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, you guys might debate in the comments or debate with me even that this is not a Poppet. But personally, it's my opinion. You have your own opinion as well. That this is a Poppet. It's exactly the same as Poppet. The pop, not the button things. I don't know what you call them. I'll just call them the pops for now. So these things on the Poppet, they're bigger. And they're exactly the same, because one pops louder than the other, like this. Oh, that was a bit loud, like that. And then this one pops. Yeah, I'd rate this one a 7 out of 10. I almost forgot. We didn't rate these. I'm rating this one a 9. And this one as my favourite. One of my favourites. 10 out of 10. Well guys, the video hasn't ended yet. Okay. I'll just stack them all up. So guys, I'll just point the camera up so you can see me. There, a bit better. Cool. So, fidget toys. If you have ADHD, then yeah, it will keep your mind off whatever you're worrying about. So yeah, so if you're getting a bit angry over something, then if you buy these for at least like £10 or something, then you can just keep your mind off whatever you're feeling hatred against. And yeah, and then you can buy this. People with major anxiety like me, yeah, I'd recommend this. And just to let people know with anxiety, you're not alone, because I have anxiety myself as well. Yeah. Overall, fidget toys for me are an 8 out of 10. They help majority of the time. Again, 5 seconds to like this video and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and smash the subscribe button and like the video. Comment below what you think I should do next. Anyway guys, I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Goodbye.